Hello again, friends. I told you that I would share with you today on Monday what a malapropism is, because I'm going to share one with you every Monday, and I'm going to see if you guys can get really good at picking out the word that's being used incorrectly. So let me tell you about what a malapropism is really quickly. It is when you accidentally confuse the wrong word with another word that actually sounds really similar. It sounds very close to the word you should be using. So I want you to look at this cartoon here on the screen really quickly. It's a little girl and her brother, and they're looking at the back door of their house. It's a specific type of door, so I'll tell you what that is in a minute, but I want you to look at the words underneath the picture. It says it's called a scream door because that's where they scream at us to come in for dinner. But it really isn't a scream door, is it? It's not this kind of door. It's a screen door. So that sounds really similar to scream, but it's a screen door. But it's kind of funny because that is kind of where people will lean out and holler at you to come to dinner. So it's it's usually funny when somebody accidentally uses a malapropism. So I'm going to post one every Monday, and I'm going to see if you can figure out which word is the wrong word, and I'm going to see if you can figure out which word is the right word. So I just wanted to share with you an example today of what a malapropism is. I hope that you guys had a great first day back today, and I'm super excited about posting my next video tomorrow morning for you. And remember to sign up for a one-on-one session if you need some help. I've already got a couple folks who've already done that. So get onto the Google Classroom, sign up for a session, and I will see you guys again soon. I hope you have a great evening. Bye-bye.